good, guys? I'm back with another video with Siler's best ghille clips. Let's get straight to it.
Late last night, lying in the bed, eyes red. Nigga, should I get this hoe? Nigga, should I get the hand? Late last night, lying in the bed, eyes red. Nigga, should I get this hoe? Nigga, should I get the hand? Late last night, lying in the bed, eyes red. Nigga, should I get this hoe? Nigga, should I get the hand? Late last night, lying in the bed, eyes red. Nigga, should I get this hoe? Nigga, should I get the hand?
Bitch, I be that whole Babylon, tag along, I got more random round, chill out. Bitch, I be that porn vagabond, spray paint a pentagram on the pentagon. I'm the pecan, smoking blunts like I'm fucking up the Amazon. Spelling grey with the motherfucking epsilon. I can explain the phenomenon. Running from the cops like a marathon, cut up to the bomb. She said song to your bitch, now she said to be emoticons. Fucking thump on the intercom. In my pocket there's a bomb, hit the liquor prom. Kill a dozen people till I crack a dawn. Smoke a set, stay it, come, rap, gang, gangers, come, love, fuck, pop, bait, pills, double my ding dong.
With the Tommy gun kicked out, been a 44, don't know where it's from. Sweet lick on a sweet bitch, she used to suck my dick. Told me keep it secret, can't make this public. Sad son, I got sad son. Keep your fan till the falls weak. Fuck that codeine, I need that tan son. Doped up till I OD, hey fuck the police. Purple yellow mix like a funky Kobe jersey.
Darkness cold, let a motherfucker leave a nigga heartless. Regardless, I'm taking this cautious. Don't fuck around, I leave a nigga just like a carcass. Hunting them buses, taking them down to the dungeon. Don't make a sound, the devils come around the corner. Setting up for them songs that all hell bound. Look into my eyes and tell me what you see. And see that we're killing us on the killer's blink. Dressing up, backing up, taking his life. Live by the sword, then you die by the knife. Try, don't hesitate to take a nigga life real quick. Cause if